Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change display sleep time on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Qnet Mobile C32. In settings, go to display. And display, tap the sleep and the pop-up will show, and okay, the sleep time is set into 1 minute. And okay guys, you can change it into 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. And okay guys, I set into 5 minutes. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the display sleep time on Qnet Mobile C32. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.